comments on YouTube channel in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to the Chrome browser. You don't need to go to the YouTube app. You have to go to the Chrome browser and then you have to search for the youtube.com. And for the Android user, you can simply click on the three dots and then you can request the desktop site here. And for the iOS user, you can simply click on the two A's in the top left corner and then you can request the desktop site. And after that you have to zoom in and then you have to click on the profile picture in the top right corner and then click on your channel. When you click on your channel, you have to click on the customize channel. When you click on the customize channel, you come to this page and then you are directly sent to the YouTube studio. uh, then you have to wait until it loads and then you have to go to the zoom in to the bottom left corner of this page. When you zoom in here, you can see the settings when you click on the settings here, then this pop-up window appear. You have to click on the upload defaults. When you click on the upload defaults, you have to go to the advanced settings and here you can see the comments visibility. You have to choose you can choose allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can choose any of these two options and then you can choose any of these two options, allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can choose any of those comments and then you can you have to click on the save. And now you have turned on comments on YouTube. Now you have turned on comments on YouTube channel in 2021. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.